welcome. Yeah, and we're talking about randomizers today. So let's make it in here. So there's, as far as I know, two types of randomizers. Oh my god. There's math.random, which is minimum to maximum. So 0 to 1 would be either 0 or 1, or 0 to 3 would be either 0, 1, 2, or 3. That was 3, and then 3 again. Oh my goodness. See, it's really random. Okay. There we go, finally. So now it's 2. I have some allergies, so yes. There's also the random.new. Probably should have put the wiki. Okay, well, I'm not 100% sure what the seed is, but I think it's dependent on, I don't know, to be honest. So there's two functions of the random class, I guess. So there's integer. Oh my god. Next, integer, which is a number, not a decimal. Again, min max, so 0 to 3. And then there's a random number. Okay, whatever. Which is 0 to 3. So I print random integer. Why is it not? Should see. Yeah, the int is always going to be a whole number, and the whatever. And this will be this will usually be a decimal. I just do that again. Yeah, it's int 1, and then I'm going to. Yeah, I'm not gonna question what that is. I'm gonna just put that into there. So the way we can do this is someone commented in the video that I made, no one else replied to. So say you have a table of images. I don't know. REX asset ID. I don't know, image. I don't know what I don't have any IDs really. Set ID. Image. 2. Just don't forget commas. So what you could do is, if you had, let me make a part, and inside of it put a decal on top. There we go. Let me quickly get some. So say this was a GUI image or something like that. So I have a lot of random decals. Okay, so an arrow. This would be an arrow. So if I take the ID and nothing. So this one would be that. I'm pretty sure decals use RBX ID. Could be wrong though. So print images, images brackets, which is selecting a index from the table. So if I did 2, it would select this one. To do it, you do math.random or random next integer. You want to start with 1 and do the size of the table. So if you add more, it will automatically do it for you, unless you want it to be a specific number. And you will see it printed number 4. It will now print 4 again. Don't know why it's doing that. It's truly random. Can that person... So instead of printing this time, we're gonna do workspace.part, not parent part, .decal, .image, decal, what is it? It's texture. .texture equals images, and then the math.random number of images. So I just take another random ID, and then you can take these, I could care less, just random things I found on the internet. Okay, so now it will hopefully it will display one of those. So the arrow, it failed to load. The arrow again, is that not? That might be why. Is that really not valid? Here. Okay, maybe, okay, well, never mind, maybe it uses this for some unknown reason, when everything else uses RBXSetID. This doesn't work, I'm going to die. Okay, well. Well, you get the point. It would work if I knew how to use decals properly. So that's how you can randomly select something out of a table. What else would you want to randomly select? I mean, you can come up with that, really. Say, I mean, you could do this with the daily reward or something like that, and that's really all randomizers have to do. Randomizers are nice for not many things, but I think that will conclude today's video. If you need help with randomizers, I will gladly help you in the comments, and I will see you. I mean, I'm not gonna see you. Goodbye.